Hello everybody. Today, 17th of January, um, I will show you crypto signal for today and how do we enter in short market here on Binance futures. So as you can see, I have posted an order for to sell at 104,623 and take profit at my stop market, take profit at 99,500 and stop price at 105,250. I have also I'm also doing 31 times leverage. We are testing the market. So yesterday it went up and it collected all the liquidities. So I'm expecting that it will go down. So here you have to go on sell or short, and on the way down you will try to accumulate some money. So I hope this will help you. If you will put this in and earn some money. Have a nice day.